In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get refund from Netflix. Let's get started. Netflix generally does not provide automatic refunds after you have been billed. However, if you were charged by mistake, charged after canceling, or your account was billed without your authorization, you can request a refund from Netflix support. So launch your preferred browser, type in Netflix Help Center. Now head over to its official website, help.netflix.com. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the option of contact us. Click on that. Now you will be directed to this page. You're in the box, type in get refund. And now you're going to get two options, get in touch, call us or chat with us. You can go ahead and select the option of your choice. I'm going to select start live chat. Now here you will need to explain why you are requesting a refund, for example, accidental renewal, unauthorized charge or billing error. If a request is approved, the refund will usually be sent back to your original payment method. Processing times depend on your bank or payment provider. So this is how you can easily get refund on Netflix. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.